Somebody is causing a panic or a rumor on the social media, then I should not be countering it. It won't be proper. But all I am trying to say is, what is the source of this rumor? Somebody said extra security forces are coming. Yes. One minute, yeah, beach mein bola. Extra security forces are coming. I have already clarified it. It has appeared in the Hindu paper that it is a calibrated, calculated, deliberate, consulted response to the security grid which is available here. There was an attenuation or reduction of the security grid due to our focus on the Amarnath Yatra. Therefore, the need arose after deliberation to requisition little more forces. It is a part of a plan which is in the pipeline. Okay, now regarding the social media and each one, it would not be proper for me to every time keep rebutting. There are proper authorities and spokesmen for that, they will be doing the job.
सर today सर today
सर उनके खिलाफ कुछ एक्शन होगी तो जिस तरीके
We will have it examined. I won't take a statement before you saying that I will take action. See, there are so many things happening in social media which are in the thing of a scam to rumor mongering to floating what you call kite flying. So for everything we start reacting, it will be a different thing also. That will give more strength to certain of these people. So there are a layer of things, spectrum of actions. It is not like the routine rumor mongering. For example, 1 minute, I will stop here, no more question. Suppose somebody is inciting or inflaming communal passions or hatred, that comes under one category. Somebody is simply floating what is called a broadside, a swipe. For everything we should not be reacting, it's not possible. So I will certainly have it looked into. The point you told, I will have it looked into. All the best.